plugging back in. The journey of nomadic Nolan from Las Vegas to the Bay Area. Nomadic Nolan coming to you live from downtown San Francisco. Just wanted to give you a bird's eye view and kind of give you a documentary of what we're actually seeing instead of what you're seeing on the media from a day-to-day basis, just beating the city up. You can see it's not all bad. There's cleaning crews out everywhere. It's beautiful downtown. We got museums, works of art, public transportation in full swing. And don't believe the hype, people. Come check out San Francisco for yourselves. There's a lot going on here. I've been coming here for 2 decades and I love it. It's beautiful. Here we are in the heart of North Beach, which is the Italian-American district of San Francisco. Some really cool restaurants and shops all around here. I came down to get what is known as the best pizza in San Francisco, which is right around the corner, but I wanted to walk around the neighborhood. And show you a little bit of North Beach in San Francisco's Italian-American neighborhood. What it looks like, how beautiful it is, and you can see the city's still thriving. It's getting a lot of bad press lately, but everything looks clean to me. I think it's isolated in certain pockets of the city, but in this area you can see people are outside having a good time, walking around, doing their daily chores, buying stuff. Commerce is great. You got Chinatown right next door, and this is my field trip to San Francisco for my law firm and my new job, and I'm loving it. So let's stop the video and go pick up my pizza.